First of all, I'm doing another video. I'm going to record another makeup tutorial. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to do it and I'm going to have a final product. YouTube is so hard. I don't know how people do it consistently. It's crazy to me. Since uploading my first video, this is the third time I am sitting down trying to have a finished product that I'm happy with, that I can upload. I literally feel like I'm wasting my time and losing my mind. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. I take my hat off to the people that do it. Do. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to do a bit of a different tutorial today. It's going to consist of me having like purple lavender skin. I mean, you'll see what I'm doing. It's going to be quite different to what I do. Juno Birch is my inspiration for today's video because I think she's amazing. She's a Manchester queen. It's very cool. Her skin is either like pink or like mint green, like a lavender colour. Let's get into it. I'm going to skip through the bits that you've seen before, sort of tell you what I'm using if it's anything different. I'm going to use a Milk Makeup luminous blur stick. Quite a pore filling primer, but it's luminous and glowy, which is why I like it. Another thing I'm going to do a bit differently, use face tapes. So I'm going to take a skin prep wipe and hit this part of my face. Hi again, just quickly, I'm going to show you how I put on the face tapes. So they're little tabs like this. What's wrong with my voice? That have little paper stickies on them. Right, so I'm going to stick them here and here. I sort of want to go for more of like a elongated eye. So I'm just going to peel off the sticker. I'm going to attach them kind of 3/4 onto my face and then the other quarter just over my hair, like that. And I'll leave them to sort of stick. I've done my base as I would. I'm going in with 2 MAC paint sticks in the shade Rich Purple and Pure White. What am I going to do? I'm going to go in the white where I would highlight and the purple on the outside and then sort of blend them together and hopefully make like a light purple shade. Let's just go for it. Let's just see what happens. I've never used these before, so hopefully there'll be an alright coverage over the tapes. Very creamy. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go in the purple around. Let's do that for now. And let's blend it out and see. Okay, this is quite purple. Just going to mix a bit more of that white. I feel like this blending is going to take a while. Down the neck. Okay, let's keep going. God, I hope this is a good idea. I'm not entirely sold on these paint sticks. I've had to put so much on. Okay, I think I'm nearly done. Maybe I can darken it up a little bit in the contours. I'm going to go in with a lot of Kryolan translucent powder, finally. Really push in the powder puff, just so it really sets. I don't know if I like this product. It's really clinging onto all of the powder. Oh God. Let's just get a big brush. These paint sticks are possibly the hardest makeup product I've ever had to work with. I've powdered so many times and had to lay over the top of them so many times. But I'm going to try and make it work. Eyebrows. Yeah. Going in with a new palette. This is the Stacey MUA Makeup Artist Carnival XL Pro palette. I've wanted this for so long. Full of every colour that I could ever possibly want. So yeah, I'm going to go in with the colour Vex, which is like a grey. Do my brow shape. I'm going in with Intuition and Vex, dark brown, and that's like a cool tone grey taupey colour. Okay, that is the shape that I want. Let's try and replicate it on the other side. And now I've got the shape, I'm going to just darken the edges of my brows with a black, which is called Lights Out. I'm going to go in with the eyes now. The eyeshadow primer I'm going to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer because it's a lot lighter than my P. Louise one. And then get on the eyelid. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Peaches and Cream brush PC23 and just blend it out like this. Okay, let's get on with this eye. My Morphe M456 and go into the shade Makeup, pinky, purpley shade. And I'm going to sketch out my crease and swoosh it back. I'm getting a tiny little brush, which is a Morphe M526, no, M562. And I'm going to go into Pillow Talk, which is like this off-white colour here, and blend above where I put that pinky purpley shade. Now I'm going to get a pencil brush. I'm going to go in with Wasted, this like really bold purple shade. And I'm going to darken that crease. And the brush that I used, the first colour, the pink, I'm going to go over the top, the dark purple, just to blend it out more. And it's just a case of just going back and forth with it. With an even smaller pencil brush, my Morphe 149. With the Reckless colour next to that purple, like aubergine colour, and really gently go along the fake crease line. Okay, I've just nipped off to put my lenses in and I've realised that the more I move my face, this foundation is cracking off. So I don't really know what to do, to be honest. Can you see? Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, this cannot be happening. Okay, so I'm back. I've put some lenses in. I had a massive discrepancy with this makeup situation. The paint stick that I used, the white MAC paint stick, with my Kryolan powder was not going together very well and my face was literally cracking. So I took the whole thing off and basically what I went in with was I used the Dermacolour in D070, which is just a plain white Dermacolour. With the same sponge, the coverage is so much better. It took way less time and I just went in with the purple paint stick just to lavender it up a bit. So let's get back to this makeup. I'm going to cut the crease and I'm actually going to cut the crease with this Dermacolour. Thank God I had this as a backup. I'm alright with that. That's good. Liner. Okay, now that we've done that, some glitter. The way I'm going to do this is put some eyelash glue on my lid. It's just simple duo. I'm getting a little Kryolan number 10 brush. I'm just going to paint on the lid where I want the glitter to be. Let that dry just a little bit, just to become a bit tacky. I've got the MAC Iridescent Sage and also the Peaches and Cream Starlight pigment. And I've mixed them together and just stuck in a little pot like this. Use my finger actually. Bit of an iridescent minty situation. Okay, lower lash line. I'm going in with the just a little angle brush. So makeup first. Create this line. And then I'm going to take this MAC brush, which is the MAC 239. Dip into that makeup shade a little bit and just smoke it out a little bit. Smoke it out a little bit. Oh, shut up, Alex. I'm actually going to take this brush, which is a Morphe E28, a bit of wasted on it. Back in with the angle brush and then into wasted. Over that line again. Yes. I'm going to go in with a lash. Lashes I'm using are the unicorn lashes in Glamazon. Get them out of the... A lot of packaging. They're these, they're so nice. Oh my god. Lash glue on the back of my hand. I'm going to run the lash over the lash band. Just like that. While that glue is drying on the lashes, I'm going to curl my lashes. I have a purple face. Just realised. Some mascara. Blech. I'm going to contour a little bit. Just a random angled fluffy brush. Well, I'm going to go in with a bit of that wasted colour. Cheekbones. The forehead. Yes. Down the nose. Pretty happy with that. Lashes will be dry now. Push them up. This makeup look was a catastrophe. And now I look stunning. Let's go in with a bit of setting spray so I can put some highlighter on. Brush like this. This Pat McGrath one, just the pink shade here. Oof, yes. Boop, right on the end. Bottom lashes, of course. I'm going to go with 4 under each eye. I'm going to go with some AB rhinestones, which stands for Aurora Borealis. Multi-tonal. And I'm going to stick them in between my lower lashes like I always do. Okay, a little tip to actually pick rhinestones up is to get a pencil, a white one preferably, and just tap the rhinestone and it will come up. It will lift. And then just stick it down. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. I think I want to do like a bold red lip. Screw it. I'm doing a red lip. Fenty Beauty Stunner Matte Lip Paint in Uncensored. Oh my god. I think I finished. And I'm actually happy with this. Let's get a bloody wig cap on. And I'm going to show you how I do my face tapes. I'm going to take these elastics with these metal, like, T things here. Like this. Put them through the hole on the tab of my face tape. So it's secure. And the same with the other side. What I'm going to do now, take them and pull them and tie them. Yes. Okay, I will be back with a wig on and a bit of a look and see you in a sec. Okay, sorry, but I look amazing, okay? I mean, just, okay, this is it. This is the finished look. Little updo, free-flowing hair situation. This is a Webster wig. It was in the style Zoe, which I think is now out of stock. They've discontinued it, and I cut it quite short, but then I just pinned it all at the back, and I cut some like more layers into it, and I'm obsessed with myself. I'm not even spraying my hair with hairspray. I don't even need to. I'm purple. I'm an alien. Yay. Cool. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We finally got there. See you in the next one. All right.